Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Webbwood, Ontario, a small community located along the Spanish River in the Sudbury district. This town began as a railway stop in the late 1800s, serving the Canadian Pacific Railway and the growing lumber industry. Webbwood quickly developed into a busy settlement with sawmills, shops, and services for workers and their families. The town's name comes from William Webb, a prominent figure who worked for the railway and played a key role in the area's development. Over the years, Webbwood became a welcoming place for travelers heading across northern Ontario. The surrounding forests, rivers, and lakes have always been an important part of life here, offering both work and recreation. Whether you're passing through or stopping to explore, Webbwood offers a warm welcome and a peaceful slice of northern Ontario. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Webbwood, Ontario. Thanks for watching!